we have a trapezoid with equal sides of length 13. The diagonal has length 15, and the upper base has length 4. Find the area of the trapezoid. Solution. Consider two triangles, the blue one and the pink one. Denote the legs of the blue triangle as x and y. Then the length of the legs of the pink triangle are y and x plus 4. Let's apply Pythagorean theorem twice, first to the blue triangle and then to the pink one. Blue, x squared plus y squared is 13 squared. To the pink, 15 squared is equal to y squared plus x plus 4 squared. Let's use that y squared plus x squared is 169. And we have linear equation relative to x. So we see here that x is equal to 5. And if x is equal to 5, then from the first equation we have that the y is equal to 12. And now we can find the area like sum of the bases multiplied by y, which is height, over 2. Lower base plus upper base is 18, multiplied by 6 is 108. And this is the answer.